Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix dictation shortcut not working on Mac. So if pressing the dictation shortcut doesn't start voice typing, the shortcut may have been changed, disabled, or assigned the key combination that conflicts with other shortcut. In some cases, dictation itself may also turned off. So let's check the settings first, and to do so click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to keyboard. Now here in the right side pane, make sure you have enabled the toggle right to dictation and then scroll down all the way down, and then next check the shortcut setting and confirm which shortcut is currently selected. To do so, click on the drop down menu right to shortcut, and if you are using a custom shortcut, try switching to one of the built-in option and test it again. And that's it. In most cases, checking the shortcut and making sure dictation is enabled will get it working again. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.